Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious chocolate yogurt. This easy guide will walk you through each step, ensuring a delightful treat. You'll need just a few simple ingredients, readily available in most kitchens. We'll combine plain yogurt with cocoa powder and a touch of sweetness to create a creamy, satisfying dessert or snack. Get ready to enjoy a homemade delight in just a few minutes. First, let's prepare our chocolate base. In a small bowl, combine your cocoa powder and sweetener. For every 1 cup of plain yogurt, start with about 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder and 1 to 2 tablespoons of sweetener, like maple syrup or honey. Whisk these dry ingredients together thoroughly to prevent lumps later on. This step ensures a smooth, consistent chocolate flavor throughout your yogurt. Now it's time to bring everything together. Slowly add your plain yogurt to the cocoa and sweetener mixture. Stir gently but continuously until the chocolate is completely blended into the yogurt. You want a uniform color and texture with no visible streaks of cocoa powder. This process should take about 1 to 2 minutes. Feel free to use a whisk or a spoon for this step, aiming for a perfectly smooth and creamy consistency. Once your chocolate yogurt is perfectly mixed, transfer it to a serving dish or individual bowls. For the best taste and texture, I recommend chilling it in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes. This allows the flavors to meld beautifully and the yogurt to firm up slightly. When ready to serve, you can enjoy it plain or add your favorite toppings, such as fresh fruit, a sprinkle of granola, or a few chocolate chips. Enjoy your homemade treat.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.